Hey, Ellis Hammond here. Join me in person for this 2-day real estate summit. Massive opportunities are coming for those who either have the time or the capital to take advantage of them. And I want to show you exactly how you can prepare and take advantage of this next cycle. My story started out attending an event just like this one. I was serving as a full-time college pastor with very little to my name or my pocket. Showing up in the right rooms provided me with the mentors I was seeking and the connections I needed to grow my real estate portfolio. Today, I purchased more than 850 apartment units and own more than $150 million of real estate. I want to teach you the secrets how to multiply your money through real estate investing, how to avoid the middle-class way of buying 1 or 2 deals at a time, and most importantly, how to make your money matter through real estate investing. Grab your ticket. I will sell this event out. Here, and I invite you, as I share a little bit more context about this summit, to scroll down and check out the details on this page. But I wanted to take just a minute to tell you why I think this is the perfect opportunity if you're serious about investing or breaking into real estate into 2023, and for 3 main reasons. And reason number 1 is timing, and it is not fluff, and it's not a marketing cliche to say that 2023 will bring one of the, if not the best buying opportunity that we have seen in the last decade. And being in this space for 3 years, I have seen a lot of things shift, but most importantly in the most recent times is interest rates. Interest rates have gone up a tremendous amount in a very historically short amount of time. And so this just creates pain in the market. And I'm seeing deals currently today where there are folks who can no longer afford their interest rates, especially in these large commercial real estate deals. A lot of these deals are purchased using short-term bridge, floating interest rates, meaning now the interest rates have increased. A lot of folks can no longer afford their payments, or in 6 to 10 months will no longer be able to afford their payments because they're eating through their reserves. And so there is a tremendous opportunity to know what to look for, to know where to look for deals, or to be partnered with the right people who know where to look for deals. And so I think from a timing perspective, this is one of the best opportunities if you're interested or unfamiliar with how to make money through real estate investing, to just know. I think number 2 is that knowledge gap. I have spent the last 3.5 years learning, experimenting, being completely involved in the commercial real estate space. Like I said, we have purchased more than 1,000 multifamily units in a relatively short amount of time. And so I want to teach you the things that we have learned about how to multiply money through real estate investing, through value-add business plans, how to take $1 and turn that into $20 through commercial real estate. This is not what you can do in single-family residential investing, right? So I'm not just going to show you how to come and buy a duplex or a triplex. No, I want to teach you how to seriously multiply money through large real estate investing. And then thirdly is the opportunity to partner together. We run a company where we have a full team and hundreds, more than 100 families that we serve that invest alongside of us. And so, this is something that if you're interested in just learning, hey, how do I vet a good investment opportunity? I want to show you that. I want to teach you that. Or again, if you want to go find deals or maybe partner with others, I want to show you what a good deal looks like, so that you know how to vet those opportunities. And so that's what we're going to be covering over these 2 days, is the blueprint for really growing and scaling into commercial real estate, but also how to invest your money, how to multiply that money, how to build your financial legacy, your financial treasure chest, and use commercial real estate as the accelerator for that. And so I really, really hope that you will grab your ticket, bring a friend to this event. I'm telling you, these 2 days will not disappoint. The knowledge, the opportunity, the skills that you'll leave away, that you'll leave with, I'm telling you, will last you a lifetime. But more importantly, the relationships. And I know that we'll gather a great room, and I can't wait to meet you, to build a relationship with you, but also the relationships that you're going to build inside of this room. So grab your ticket, bring a friend, and we will see you in person very soon. Cheers.